Operatives of the Bureau of Customs from Metro Manila and Pampanga conducted a surprise inspection of warehouses in an industrial park in the municipality of San Simon in Pampanga. Here's Patricia Mamangon of GNN Pampanga.
The Bureau of Customs discovered 1,000 boxes of counterfeit cigarettes estimated to be worth almost 2 billion pesos from 5 warehouses inside an industrial park in the municipality of San Simon in Pampanga on Wednesday. These cigarettes copied popular brands such as Mythi and Marvel. According to the estimate of BOC officials, this warehouse inside the industrial park has a billion peso worth of alleged counterfeit variety of cigarettes, all packed and ready to deliver. Inspector Janelle Pogoy of the Bureau of Customs said they inspected the warehouses after they received information from a source that fake cigarettes were being packed in the said Pampanga town. Pogoy explained to the media how to distinguish a fake product from an original one through its BIR tax stamp.
Ang concept kasi natin, itong tax stamp kasi, kapag fake siya, ibig sabihin hindi ito binayaran sa BIR. So yun yung punto natin. So, paano natin ma-confirm? There are 7 features, security features itong tax stamps. Okay? Isa nito, itong strip na madedetect siya ng tagan. Tagan ang tawag natin dito. Walang ibang gagawa nito kundi isang supplier lang. So kung hindi siya magre-reflect dito na green, ibig sabihin ito piniki ito. Itong tax stamps natin.
Also, the sealed boxes contained the same serial number. The BOC officials are yet to determine the operators of the storerooms since no employees were found. Meanwhile, it was November last year when the provincial government of Pampanga and local police closed an illegal manufacture of various cigarette brands in the municipality of Lubao. For GNN, this is Patricia Mamangon.